All right, I'm taking it on video.
He might blow the horn, so hold
He might blow the horn, sweetie. Be careful. Hold your ears. She's got her ears held. She's good.
He may not, though, seeing that there's little kids.
I don't know. I don't know.
6-car train.
Wow. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Oh, I'm too close.
Really old-fashioned train.
Wave at everybody. Wave at all the people, sweetheart. Lily, wave at the people. Hi. 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 Anybody want to wave? Hi. Lily, are you waving? Hi. 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 That's a long train, huh? Say hi. Hi. Lily, look at me. Look at me, Lily. Hi. All right, you guys. Look at me. Look at me. Say, you don't have to pose because this is video. You can move. You can do whatever you like. This is video, you guys. Yep. And you're going to hear me talking, which is crazy, but... Whee! Lily, see the person at the end there? Wow, hi.
That's pretty neat.
That's very neat. Now maybe if you wave, he'll wave. I don't know. Will he wave at you? Say wave. Wave at him. See, there you go. See, he waved at you. See?